Hello everyone, in today's video we will find out what is variables, triggers and tag. When we go to our Google Tag Manager, we see some variables, tag and triggers. Actually, what are these? So our today's topic is tag, triggers and variables. So let's start. Okay, I have created a document, tag, triggers and variable. Tag means what do you want CTM to do? CTM means Google Tag Manager. So what do you want Google Tag Manager to do? That means these are small pieces of code or scripts that perform a specific task. For example, sending data to Google Analytics, tracking conversions, etc. A tag is a piece of code or instruction that tells CTM what to do, like send data to Google Analytics, track Facebook pixel events, fire a conversion tagging code. I think you all understand what is tag. Now, triggers. What is triggers? Trigger, when do you want to do it? When? Like, we click on triggers. Triggers tell when a tag will fire. For example, when someone visits a page, when someone clicks a button, or when someone submits a form. Okay, then our last option is variables. Variable, what, when and how exactly. We can see many variables are here. Variables are places to store data. They are used in triggers or tags. For example, the page URL, the click text, or the form ID. The URL of the page, the text of the button click, the user's defined type, etc. We will understand these issues more clearly when we track the website data. That's all for today's video. Everyone be well and don't forget to subscribe.